How to fix too many requests on ChatGPT in 2023. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can go ahead and do that. So let's just go ahead and get right in with the videos. So basically, you're going to want to go ahead and tab out or exit out the ChatGPT window that you have open. Now from there, go ahead, head over to the three dots that form a line at the top right corner. Go ahead and click it and head over to settings. Now from here, you're going to want to make your way to privacy and security. Now, what you're going to want to go ahead and do now is under privacy and security, go ahead and click on clear browsing data. And then from here, you're going to want to go ahead and click basic, and you're going to want to put all time. Now, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to go ahead and clear browsing history and cached images and files. You're not going to want to click the middle one. And after that, go ahead and clear data. And then what you're going to want to go ahead and do now is you're going to want to log back into ChatGPT. And then basically from here, you should be able to just go ahead and go on the site without having any problems. Now, if I go ahead and search something here like YouTube, we're going to go ahead and search that up, and it's going to actually work for us. So you can see here, it's providing us with solutions and stuff. So that's how you go ahead and fix too many requests on ChatGPT. But with that being said, guys, hopefully you found the video helpful. If you haven't already, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. See you guys for the next video.